Limitless God. The Lord thy God in the midst of thee is mighty, he will save, he will rejoice over thee with joy. Zephaniah chapter 3 verse 17. The world's millions could come down to the beach and reach out their hands to be filled with sea water. They could each take as much as they wanted, as much as they needed, and still the ocean would remain unchanged. Its might and power would be the same, the life in its unfathomable depths would continue unaltered. Although it had supplied the needs of every single person standing with outstretched hands along its shores. So it is with God. He can be everywhere at once, heeding the prayers of all who call out in the name of Christ. Performing the mighty miracles that keep the stars in their places, and the plants bursting up through the earth, and the fish swimming in the sea. There is no limit to God. There is no limit to His wisdom. There is no limit to His power. There is no limit to His love. There is no limit to His mercy. Prayer for the day. Almighty God, how glorious are my thoughts of you, for you are everywhere, loving and caring for the minutest details of our lives.